Timothy MK Solutions is pleased to partner with Zenphi, the best no-code solution on the market and the only solution built with Google Workspace as the foundation. About 30% of an employee's day is wasted on daily administrative chores, unnecessary tasks, and outdated, manual ways of working. Zenphi users free up at least 15 to 20 hours per week. What could you achieve with an extra 735 hours per year, per team member? Zenphi empowers teams to maximize productivity, minimize costs, and exceed targets by transforming hours of manual processes into set-and-forget workflows. It has been proven that process automation robots, or bots, can easily handle the repetitive and mundane tasks in record speed and with precision accuracy. With Zenphi's drag-and-drop flow designer, anybody, with minimal training, will be able to build flows and start automating in just a few days. This allows teams to be able to focus on more high-value tasks. In this climate of labor shortages, why not take a more innovative approach and let your computer pick up the slack? Studies have shown that once a company implements process automation, both employee retention and satisfaction levels dramatically increase. Process automation can benefit every team in any organization without exception, and the results of implementing it can be seen on your bottom line almost immediately. Zenphi is turning heads in the tech world and making the competitors on the market stand up and take notice. In 2022, SaaSworthy named Zenphi as one of the prestigious top 10 workflow automation companies, in both the most popular and fastest-growing categories. Additionally, they are ISO certified, HIPAA compliant, and at the top of the Gartner Magic Quadrant. Robotic process automation allows your employees to feel empowered and have a newfound passion for their job. Now work is exciting again, instead of unfulfilling and boring, doing the same task over and over all day. With decades of experience in delivering top-notch no-code process automation systems worldwide, Zenphi's leaders possess a wealth of knowledge and several years of leadership expertise. Although Zenphi is based in Australia, its workforce is entirely remote and distributed worldwide. This approach ensures that a knowledgeable Zenphi employee or partner is always nearby to provide assistance when needed. With over 1,600 customer signups from small local businesses to global companies in more than 70 countries, Zenphi's reach is truly global. We are so confident in the Zenphi brand at Timothy MK Solutions that we offer free professional services to those who buy an annual subscription through our agency. The amount of free services ranges from 2 to 6 hours depending on the product tier purchased. Thank you for your time. We invite you to visit the address displayed on your screen and start for free today.